From ancient rooftops, he observes the hurried human world below. A silent sentinel, he watches the relentless, chaotic urban flow. The ceaseless city noise rises, a symphony of forgotten hurried purpose. Yet the crow remains still, an unwavering point of quiet strength. He does not react to every fleeting shadow or distant human cry. Instead, he discerns the weight of meaning from the inconsequential. This patient vigil is his chosen discipline, his unique form of unyielding resilience. Through quiet observation, he builds an unshakable inner fortress. Like a silent stone in a rushing river, he allows the world to pass. Only the profound currents truly capture his focused, knowing attention. The incessant chatter of fleeting worries means nothing to him. He filters the noise, seeking only signals of true impact. Every passing moment offers a lesson, a chance for deeper wisdom. He studies the world with thoughtful, discerning, and patient eyes. He does not act on impulse, swayed by every changing wind. His movements are deliberate, precisely chosen, and exceptionally powerful. The air shifts, a subtle signal, a call to purposeful engagement. The time for mere watching draws swiftly to its destined close. With purpose now clear, he launches, a dark arrow into the night. His flight is a silent, resolute act of unwavering will,